Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Epic Game Launcher is not launching on your Windows device. I'll show you the different solutions. You need to apply them one by one and see which solution works for you. So the first solution is right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager, and here you need to find if Epic Game Launcher is running in the processes. Now if you find it, right click on Epic Game Launcher and click on the end task, and then try to open the Epic Games and see if it launches or not. Now the second solution you can try is clear the web cache. A corrupted cache is the H1 reason for a silent crash or a loading loop. Press Windows plus R key and open up the run, and here you need to type percentage local app data percentage, and once you type it just hit OK, and here you need to find the Epic Game Launcher folder. Once you find it, just open it and go to saved and look for the web cache 4430 or the web cache folder, and once you find it just right click on it and hit delete. Don't worry, this won't delete your game, it just resets the launcher UI. After restart your PC and see if it works or not. Now the next solution you can try is run Epic Game Launcher as an administrator. So right click on your Epic Games shortcut and just click on run as administrator and see if this works for you or not. If you don't want to do it manually, just right click on Epic Game Launcher and go to its properties and go to compatibility and just check this box of run this program as an administrator. Then hit apply and then hit OK. Now if this doesn't work for you, the next solution you can try is using -OpenGL shortcut. If your graphic driver is having trouble rendering the launcher's initial window, force it to use OpenGL can bypass the crash. So to do this, right click on your Epic Game Launcher and go to its properties, and in the shortcut section look for the target, and here after the quotation mark just press the space and type -OpenGL. After typing it, hit apply and then OK, then try to launch Epic Game Launcher and see if it works or not. Now the next solution you can try is go to your Windows search bar and type control panel and open it, and here find programs and features, and once you open it look for Epic Game Launcher, and once you find it just right click on it and hit repair. It will fix the broken installation path and missing DLL files. So after running this repair, restart your PC and see if it works or not. And I hope guys one of these solution works for you, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.